Good morning! We have another day in today's train, so we got umbrellas and waiting for our driver who should be already somewhere here. Let's find him. We just grabbed taxi and the trains near Charisma. So we're just enjoying our ride and going to one place called Mickey Monkey's. It's nice cafe for breakfast. It's like loft-style. Very nice, and I can't wait to show Charisma.
Looking forward to it.
Hungry.
Yes.
I just gave you one chocolate batonчик. It's our chocolate. Oh, you have it.
I'm saving it after breakfast.
Nice. My flat white. Happy? Happy!
It's different hot chocolate.
Well, we finished everything here, guys. We got a notification on Charisma watch. It says time to stand up. Oh, let's go. If you want to advertise, that's the way. You just paint it all over the street. Can you imagine? I was just showing Charisma Russian car. So guys, we're in Russia, and of course I have to show it to you. So this one called Lada. It's pure Russian, and I believe you can get it maybe in some other countries. But this is the sign of it. Yeah, Lada. So maybe you can get it if you Google. Oh my gosh, I found the car now that my family was having when I was a child. The blue. I'm gonna show you guys. It's also Russian, also Lada, and it's called Desatka. Desatka is the name of it, the variety. So you guys, it's not this one, but the color was like that, the blue, and it's also Lada, but it's not this model. But yeah, similar. Look at the architecture. It's like ginger houses here, different colors, and it's so cute, guys. Really nice. Look what we saw. Different airlines. Swiss Air, Lufthansa, and this one is Brussels and something German. What is this? Yes, it's the travel agency. Cool. Guys, now we are at the Griboyedov Canal, and this is the famous bank bridge here. So these are the griffins. There are 4 of them who hold the base of the bridge, and it's 25-meter long. So it's believed that if you touch a griffin and you make a wish, you will have a lot of good luck and your wishes will come true. So many photos now with the griffin. We made a wish, we bothered people a little bit because they cannot cross. It's very tiny here. And guys, if you continue the same canal, that's what you're gonna see. The bookstore over here with the little globe on top over there, and this one is the Savior on the blood, all the way straight. And now we are next to the Kazan Cathedral that looks like this, and you can also climb on top of the dome. So according to the information I've got, it was built between 1801 and 1811 by Emperor Paul I, who wanted this cathedral to resemble the St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. There is a photo shoot happening on top of this beautiful bookstore that used to be a Zinger factory before. Nice. Here we are, just passing to another cathedral. So this is the Zhiguli. This is the Russian style of the cars, super antique and super old, and it's museum kind of advertisement. So here inside we have Russian toys and Russian Soviet Olympics sign. What I love about Russian big cities is that here we love tradition so much. If there is a building where some famous people used to live before, it's gonna be said in front of it. For example, we're walking now towards the Savior on the Blast Cathedral, and here is the building where one famous Russian poet and writer used to live, Mikhail Zoshenko. And now we continue all the way down, and I'm sure we will see many more buildings with the same notes and last names of famous people. Another place to show you guys is the famous church on the spilled blood, and it has a couple of names. So it's here in front of us. In 1881, Alexander II was assassinated here, and the church was built on the same place. Here is the beauty. Just noticed something over here. We have a rose hip, guys. Rose hip that even my mom used to plant. It looks like this. So you just pick up berries and you dry it, and you can drink it with tea later. Let me show you closer. Here is the Russian rose hip, which is planted literally like in the middle of the city, and I saw it walking on the alley. The smallest monument in St. Petersburg, and maybe in Russia as well, is a little bird which is 11 centimeters and is located just over here. So the legend is that you have to flip a coin, and of course if you manage to keep it on top of Chizhik Pyzhik, that's the name of the bird, you're gonna have like, all your wishes are gonna come true.
Everywhere you turn it, you know you're fine. Everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, everywhere you turn it, everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, you know you're fine. Everywhere you turn it, you know you're fine. Everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, bad girl. Everywhere you turn it, everywhere you turn it.
Charisma just got this one and Napoleon cake. Wow, that looks good. And I also got a slice of like huge slice called pierogi. It's the cake with the filling like pastry, but very savory, not sweet. And the filling is mushrooms and chicken. And I also got cakes called kartoshka. It's made with the... Anyways, it's delicious. Here is the place, guys, to show you so that you know. It's called Bulashная, number 60. Yummy! And video number 2 is over. We're back in the hotel, and the bags are here. As you saw, guys, I bought a lot of things. And I'm so happy and so glad. Thank you so much for being with me. Hope these Russian vlogs are very useful for you. And here is my Instagram channel and a picture of Instagram as well, so that you can see how it looks like. I can't wait to take you somewhere else with me. Please subscribe if you love my channel, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!